this is N again. Just now I did try to generate an image for my upcoming leaflet. So I use this Microsoft Designer again. I have generated 3 images. 2 are the cartoon style format. This one, the first one here. This is the second one. And the third one is 3D image. And I quite like this 3D image generated by Microsoft Designer. So we are going to the designermicrosoft.com website to generate this image. All right. Now, bear in mind is what you do is when you go to this website, you come to this panel over here, image creator, you click on generate, then it leads you to this image creator. I did not use any of this prompt example. What I do is I type my own prompt, which I have already written some of the prompt here. These are the 2 prompts that I tried, but I prefer this one, this prompt. So I'm going to copy this whole prompt, okay, and place it in the placeholder here. Now you have to wait for a while, yeah. So this is the one it came out. Now, if you notice, the image here is totally different from what I have it over here. Now, the funny thing is, yeah, I'm using the same prompt, but again, it gives me 2 different image. All right. So it's up to you. If the same prompt, but you generate the different image, if you like it, if you like this, you continue to use it. If you don't, you generate a different image again. All you need to do is use the same prompt and click this image. I'll show you how. Yeah, just generate again, and of course you have to wait for a while. Okay, now it came up with this picture. Now if you like this picture, you can just click on it, you can download it, or if you do not want this picture, again you have to click generate. Now I'm not going to generate another picture. I'm going to uh, go to this create a design, because I may want to use this to create my own leaflet. All right, create design. Take some time to generate this image. Okay, from here you can choose either one, because at the end of the day they will have some option over here later. Okay, so I'm going to choose one of this, customize design. Now you see, I told you it will actually give you another option from here to for another design that you want. So I'm going to use this. Okay, cooking up a storm. I'll choose I'm going to use exactly here, all the text here. Then I'm going to add some text. I'm going to move everything together. Now, if you want to move everything together, what you do is select everything, just move. So this is the one I'm going to download. Now what you do is you actually click download button here and just download the image. In fact, maybe in some other video, I'm going to show you how I share this leaflet to your social media. So now I'm going to download, click download. Now it shows you design is ready. It's already downloaded. So you're going to click on this. This is the design. All right.